Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can get started with CPUParticles2D in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So I have just added two assets. One is this particle.png which we will be using inside our CPU particles, and there is this space missile. Again, this is not for particles, this is just to simulate like particles coming out of this particular missile. That's it, nothing else. So what I'll do, I have just created one Godot game project, and this is for 2D games. So I'll just take one area 2D first. Alright, then I'll just take one sprite 2D as well, and inside the sprite 2D I'll just load this particular space missile, and I'll just zoom in a little bit, and here I'll just transform it. Rotation would be 90 degree. Alright, then let's take one collision shape as well, and again let's rotate it by 90, and here I'll just take it as capsule shape. I'll just zoom it a little bit in as well, and I'll just make this as small. I'll expand this. Okay, so say something like this looks fine to me. If you want, you can expand it like this as well, but yeah, I'll just do Command S to save. Now let's get started with CPU particles. So CPU particles are basically, like from what I have understood, they are used for games, or for mobile games, sorry. So if you are making mobile games, it's better to use CPU particles than GPU particles. So yeah, so I'll just add a CPU particles 2D. Then so here you get a lot of things. So I'll just make the gravity y as 0. Let's make initial velocity. Let's go to initial velocity. There are a lot of fields, you can play around with it. So I'll just make this as 140, and let's make the max as 180. Then let's make the direction. Where is the direction? Okay, direction. Let's make x 0. Let's make y 1. Let's make spread 0 as well. Then let's go to transform. Rotation, let's make it 90 as well. Then you can just change the position x. So I'll just keep it as -12. Alright, then let's go to emission shape. Let's make it as sphere. Yeah, then I'll keep the sphere radius as 3. Then let's go to time. Let's change the lifetime as 0.3. Then randomness also as 0.3. Then explosiveness as 0.1. Then lifetime randomness as 0.1 as well. Then let's change the amount to 32. Okay, sorry, amount is 32. Okay, I'll just move this over here so that you can see it more better. Then let's go to color. So scroll down, color, and here you can just make it as FFDA06, and let's scroll down again, and inside color ramp let's select gradient. Let's select over here. So for the first color I'll select it. I'll select this one, and then just do E53 E00. Alright, I'll just dismiss this. Then I'll just select this one. I'll select this one, and I'll just give FFF06. Alright, and let's go to linear over here, and I'll just make this as 2. I'll make this as 2 as well. I'll make this as 0.04. Alright, then let's go to texture. So here inside our texture I'll just add the texture which I already have. So this one, particle dot. So here you can see it now looks much better. Then we just need to adjust the scale. So let's just search for scale over here, and here minimum amount I'll just keep it as 0.1, and maximum amount we'll just keep it as 0.3. Then let's select the select amount curve. Just select curve. I just select over here. Now here I'll just select it as 0.5. Here I'll select it as 1, and here we'll just go to here 1.0, which is 0. So yeah, here you can see we have proper particles emitting from a particular missile. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.